You printed the two parts of the housing in this position, meaning that the bottom is ugly and needs to be cleaned up. All is guided in this bottom clean part, and actually you will need to check the dimension. It goes all the way down. Here it's snap. If it's not clean, you will need to remove a little bit of PLA. Scrape it off different length for different positions. So, snap the differential in place. Slide. Snap. It's really free. Check that it is free. Feels good. After this, just to lubricate. Final assembly. For 2.5mm nut. Get the point. Just engage the four nuts. Do not tighten everything yet. The running at the end will be done. I made this little tool. Continue the running, not too fast. Keep it slow. It should not heat up. Okay, suspensions, and go for the 2.5mm nil stop assembly method. Pliers, outer, use the shaft assembly to guide it in. It's fully in when it's protruding 2mm to engage in the wheel. Press it in and secure it with a 2.5mm times 14. Top arm. The ball was printed on the other side, so rotate it down. M2 times 16. One side slides in, the other side is tighter. Closes. And this is good. And you could optionally add the nut hereafter. The arms axles are a bit above 2mm, but these in the housing are tight to 2mm. Don't hesitate to free it up slightly. Engage telescopic shaft, align suspensions, 2mm piano wire. It should come in tight. Press it in. Suspension should be free. Rear steering links, also printed in one piece, asymmetrical. Bolt actually right into the plastic. Here, because it's symmetrical, slides into and tighten to the big chunk here. We'll have to glue them on. This time I went for the big screws. Insert the screw halfway. I hold the drive shaft. The screw is guiding me inside the shaft. Align the wheel so it's slightly engaged. A bit tight. I ensure I'm aligned with the short touring car damper. Yeah, 55mm totally extended and 40mm